and welcome once again to MG Tracy. This is just a quick video. If you happen to be staying in a Choice hotel or some other brands of hotel, you may find you've now got a slightly different coffee machine. You have a TAYST Coffee Machine. Now this is a 1-cup pod machine, so I'm just going to show you how to use it. First of all, make sure it is clean. Actually, you can see by the bits on this one, this is brand new. This hasn't actually been used yet, so we're okay for that one. First thing you need is to have a cup of water. So if you lift the top up here, this is where your pod goes, and at the back here, this is where you put the water. And you'll find it goes, there's a tiny little filter, which is filtered the water, but you find your whole cup will go in there, and that can go underneath. Now I just need to put our pod in. Most hotels seem to give you a bold coffee at a decaf. This morning I need a bold one. Let's do this. This is what's inside. So you've basically got a coffee filter here and a seal on the top. Now that just drops in there, and you can bring the whole unit down. On the side, you should find you've got a little on-off. So if you touch that, that is going to flash red, and it's underway. Obviously, make sure you've got your cup underneath. If you think it's looking like this hasn't been particularly well cleaned, then just put a cup of water through the machine without putting a pod in first, just to put some boiling water through and clean it through. Any minute, and now we should start to see some lovely coffee coming out the front there when it's got to the right temperature, and the side will stop flashing. Now in most hotels you'll find you get these little packets which have got sugar stirrer and powdered milk. I don't like that, so I've actually brought some of my own little sachets of oat milk, but if you really don't like it, then head along to reception or grab some milk from breakfast time and keep that in your fridge so you've got some real milk to put in it. And if you can hear that now, it's starting to boil away nicely there. So once the water's boiling, it just comes through really quite quickly. Don't worry about all the steam, that's just natural with this particular TAYST machine. Well, it certainly smells wonderful. And of course you'll get as much in the cup as you put in water. If you like a particularly strong brew, then put slightly less water in and you'll get a stronger brew. Now that will just turn itself off in a moment once it's finished. If you do want to make another coffee, sometimes you have to wait a couple of minutes for the machine to cool down enough before you can make the next one. You can probably hear the machine's gone off now, so I'm going to put another milk in there and I'm ready to go. So I hope you found that very useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Paul from London, currently in New York, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.
Cheers.